this call for a revisit of the restructuring is not.
And Nigerians are dying every day. One man dies in America means a lot to the entire Americans. But in Nigeria, 100 people will die. Nobody cares. So I said, if restructuring has now become the problem of this country, and majority of people say restructuring, restructure this country. Buhari himself said, under Executive Order 10, that the judiciary, the local government, or House of Assembly should have independence. What is he talking about? Cannot eat his cake and have it. These are things contained in the El-Rufai's report and the 2014 report. I warned, I've stated, I repeat, President Buhari is not an emperor. He's not a king. He's an elected president of this country. You either govern the people or you tell them that enough is enough for one reason or the other. And that is the purpose of because 2014 National Conference, of which I was a prominent member, and the El-Rufai's report of 2018 are almost the same. Whichever one you take, Nigeria will be happy with it now. What Nigeria wants, restructuring. Either Rufai or Kutigi or 2014. That both the former chairman of APC, His Excellency John Oyegu, and El-Rufai himself, El-Rufai was blaming the National Assembly because they have the power to make law. They have the power to constitute a constitution. It has not been taken to them. If the government in power in 2015 says that in our manifesto, restructuring of Nigeria for a better Nigeria is number one, and you came to power in 2015, now we are in 2021, only 2 years more for you to go. You are not talking about your constitution. So your party said, look, let us put it in writing. It was in our manifesto. Let us set a committee to examine this issue of restructuring. And the party did it. What are they waiting for? Are they waiting for PDP to come into power before executing their own report? So your question is, if all Nigerians, as I said, I'm speaking on behalf of the majority of Nigerians, if we all agree, a meeting called by Mr. President to Aso Rock, of representatives of Nigeria, will not last more than 1 day. The executive will then prepare memorandum to the National Assembly, and within 3 or 4 months they will be completed. The National Assembly has been spending 1 billion naira every year on amending the Constitution of Nigeria. For years now, they've not been able to do so. So, if the APC is the party ruling Nigeria today, it means it has power under President Buhari to implement whatever they want to implement in interest of Nigeria. So the issue of time does not arise, my son. If they want to do it within 6 months, it will be carried out. Otherwise, the problem of IPOB and others, many others will join. Let me warn you that this country does not belong to a few individuals. What IPOB is doing, what the Yorubas are doing, is still a child play. No other Nigerians is prepared to subjugate himself. They may all join, and there will be chaos in this country. Some of us are already on their way out. But why should we live in Nigeria that God has given to us, the biggest country in Africa, with resources, human resources, after United States of America? I don't think there's anyone that takes over them. But what are we doing with our resources? The young boy got first-class degree, and he did his youth corps in NNPC 5 years ago, or 3 years ago. I don't know. Came to me here, he's from Cross River State, that he had a first-class degree in civil engineering. And after doing 1 year youth corps, the same NNPC organized interviews, examination for 1,000. They wanted to employ about 1,000. This boy was not taken. Would it happen if he was from the north? The Clark died only a few days ago in South Africa. What were the people fighting him against? You are regarding the majority of the people as slaves. That's white man to black man. That's what's even bad. But today, to allow a black man to be for me to be his slave, it won't be. What would my children ask of me? I'm ready, like any other Nigerians. Very darling. Nigeria must be ready. The prison is not only for thieves. It's meant for those who are fighting for the interest of their country. Some of us are ready for reasonable trial. We are ready to go. Nobody owns this country more than myself. Enough is enough. Thank you. Thank you, Daddy.
And may God continue to keep you.
Amen.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.